Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainul Husna binti Muhammad Zain. My matrix number 1241390.
Hi everyone, my name is Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Ahmad Khairul Amri. My matric number is 1241464.
Hi everyone, my name is Hasha Adina binti Norizam. My matrix number 1241387.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Aina Syuhada binti Muhammad Sabri and my matric number is 1241458.
So today we will discuss about what is the important skill that we have learned in university. For me, in university, the skill that we have learned is problem solving skill. It is because this skill is the preparation for real world challenge. Why I said like that? Because life and work are filled with uncertainties and complex problems. Problem solving teach students how to analyze situation, identify issue, and also develop practical solution. And next, why I said this skill is important because it will enhancing critical thinking, problem solving that encourage logical reasoning, analyzing, and decision making. This skill improve our ability to think critically and evaluate different perspectives. And lastly, it's also boosting academic success. As you know, many subjects require problem solving such as mathematics, engineering, and even humanities. Developing this skill helps students excel in coursework, research, and group projects. So, how about you, Rabiatul?
I agree with you, Husna, but I would like to emphasize another point, which is teamwork. First, teamwork taught me how to appreciate diversity. In group discussion, I believe that everyone brings unique perspective. For instance, in one of my assignments, which is business communication, one of the team members was analytical, another was creative, and I was somehow in between. By combining these strengths, we developed a project that was both innovative and practical. Secondly, teamwork develops interpersonal skill. It's not just about working with people, it's about understanding them. In my experience, not all of the team members work at the same pace or have the same strength. So, I learned to be patient and to listen actively in the group. For instance, if someone struggles with their part, instead of criticizing them, I would offer support or alternative solution to ensure that our group stay on track. Another benefit of teamwork is learning how to solve problems together. There was one situation where a team member couldn't complete their task on time due to personal issue. Instead of blaming them, we redistribute the workload and managed to finish the project before the deadline. This experience taught me the importance of flexibility and supporting each other during challenging time. So, what do you think, Hasha?
Your opinion sounds great, Roberto, but I have my opinion based on our discussion topic. So I think leadership skills are also an important skills that we as students can learn in university. This is because leadership skills can help us to build our confidence in ourselves. Through activities that help by universities such as group works for our assignments, clubs or events, it can help us to improve our leadership skills because we learn how to handle those activities perfectly. Plus, if we volunteer to be a leader in it. Other than that, of course, we can build more confidence in ourselves too, especially when we want to make a decision for our group. Because some of students they do not have a confidence in themselves to make a decision for their own group. So for me, it's really important since we will working with more people out there after study. So for sure, we have to be more confident because sometimes we have to lead our team at work so we can lead it well and we will be confident to communicate with them too. Moreover, as long as my second point, we can enhancing our communication skills by having a leadership skills. As what I see, in my first point, we will step into the world of working where we have to communicate with more people out there in public, like to our boss, to our colleagues, or even to our customer if we are working in marketing department. So having a knowledge of leadership skills, we can speak confidently with people around us and know how to control our tone when we speak with different or specific person. For example, when we have to present our worksheets in front of our boss and colleagues, we have to use a right tone and good words that can present us like a professional person. And obviously, it's not the same as we talk to our friends or our colleagues because we can speak casually with them. So I can conclude here: enhancing communication skills by leadership skills that we learn from university is really important to ourselves because by having that, we will not to be a shy person. We want to when we want to state with uh it's really important to ourselves because by having that, we will not to be a shy person when we want to state our opinions or our ideas and when to meet our discussions among colleagues or friends. So that I think leadership skills are the most important skills that we learn from university because it can be used when we are working or maybe for the rest of our life. So what's your thought about that, Aina?
Yes, I agree with you, Hasha. But for me, I think the most important skill I learned at university was time management. As a university student, I will have a lot of work and activities to do, so I need to manage my time wisely. Firstly, I will make a schedule for a week in advance to organize my time. For example, I will make a list of what I need to do that week and make sure it will be done. Next, I will prioritize the more important things so I can give my full attention to one thing at a time. As a result, our stress while study and take care of our mental and physical health. By the way, do you guys have another opinion?
All right, thank you, Aina. But for me, I agree with Hasha's point, which is leadership skill. It is because, like she said just now, leadership skill can boosting confidence. It can relate with taking on leadership roles during university, like being part of a student council or leading a project. It can build self-confidence and the ability to handle responsibilities. Furthermore, leadership skill also creating a positive impact. As a leader, you inspire and motivate others to achieve shared goals. This ability to influence and create change is beneficial not only in a professional setting, but also in society. So how about you guys?
I also agree with Hasha point, which is leadership. Um, because I believe that leadership is an invaluable skill that I have gained in university too. It has taught me to be responsible, adaptable, and empathic, while also building my confidence to guide others effectively. I believe this skill will greatly benefit me in my future career and in any role I take on. I believe that a leader is not just focused on the result. They should also understand and support their team members. So that is my point. Thank you.
All right. I agree with you guys, and thank you for agree with my points. But uh, for myself, I think I agree with Aina's point, which is about time management, because for now they have a lot of social media that we can use. So some of students cannot manage their times well when it comes to using their phone, and they will like spend a lot of time scrolling their social media, such as Instagram, TikTok, and whatever. And they will do their assignment last minute. And that attitude is actually is really bad when it comes to working. So because they will normalize that and do their work very last minute. Um, so it's it's bad lah. So and also they will being lazy and not submit their work on time when they have to do the work that their manager or their boss given to them. So for me, time management is really important because they will know how to manage their time balance between their work life and their social life. So that's all from my point.
Thank you, Hasha. I like your explanation. But by the way, I agree with Rabiatul point, which is teamwork also a most important skill in the university. It is because we have a lot of group assignment, presentation, and research, so we need to communicate with the group member to do the assignment. At the end, we get to build the teamwork skill in our life. That's all from me.
Okay. Based on the majority, we decide to choose leadership skill as the most important skill that we have learned in the university. I guess it is time to end our discussion. Thank you for your contribution on this discussion.